Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off those annoying link previews on Facebook Lite. You know, the image and headline that shows up when you paste a link in your post or comment. So what are link previews? Whenever you paste a website link on Facebook, like YouTube or news article, Facebook automatically generates a preview, which includes the title, image, and a short description. This can be helpful, but sometimes you just want to share only the plain link without that big preview box. So now how to turn off link previews on Facebook Lite? Start by opening your Facebook Lite app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on what's on your mind to start a new post. Now paste the link you want to share. For example, a YouTube video or a blog article. Tap done. Now here, Facebook Lite will automatically start loading the preview. Once the preview shows up, you will see a small cross or a close button near the top corner of the preview box. Just tap that cross to remove the preview. The preview will disappear, but the plain text link stays, so your post looks clean and simple. If you don't see the preview remove option, try typing some text before the link, then paste the link and remove the preview. That usually triggers the close button to appear. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.